Honestly, if I told you this wasn't my hair, you probably would think I was crazy. Do you see it? What do you see? Alright, in today's video, we're going to get into a Q&A while installing this wig. Today's wig comes from Myfirstwig. It will be in the description box if you enjoy the realistic style of wigs, because you know I'm always going to give it to you, okay? So if you like realistic wigs, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment below. And let's get into today's video. And yes, you can see that it's a wig. I love today's style because it has layers. It is a very natural style. This week, I wanted to focus on that because it's been so hot. It comes with layers. I do need to touch it up a little bit so you can kind of see it, but it is a straight style, has beautiful highlights, and just really pretty. So I know we have had a heat wave throughout everywhere. I want you guys to tell me, what have y'all been doing with your hair? What are your favorite styles for this weather? If anything, I'm going to look for comfort in the cap for sure. With this cap, this is a 13x6 130% density wig. So the 130% density is very great for weather like this. This is what the cap construction looked like for it. We also do have the drawstring in the back. The hairline is phenomenal on this, and the lace is just so good. Style it. I'm gonna keep the middle part and I'm just gonna straighten it up a bit. With this style, it's so simple. All you have to do is just style it back a little bit. You can add some curls if you want to. You can do whatever you want. The only thing I really need to do is just straighten it out and adjust this area here because it is a little too long coming down. So I'm gonna cut off this area. Now I thought today, while I install this wig, I can go over the questions because I do have more questions. In the community tab, you can leave me a question if you would like me to answer. And somebody said, okay, we need a drama about content creators use that hidden writing talent. You want me to write a drama? Don't we have enough drama? To me personally, I just feel like a lot of drama is already naturally occurring. So it's easy to pull a story from that. So I'm just pushing the hairline back some. God, this lace is so good, so very good. I did cut off a little bit of hair right there, but not too much. Have you met any celebrities, and what's your favorite movie? Do you like horror or comedy, and what's your favorite season of the year? So have I met any celebrities? I have, not naming them though for privacy reasons. Have I met any big celebrities? No, not really. I just realized I didn't put anything on this hair, and it's like, do you see it? Like, girl, do you see it? That actually looks so good. I haven't even done anything. So also, do you like horror or comedy movies? I'm not a horror person. I used to like ghost movies, but nowadays I just feel like I've outgrown all of it. Like, I like anything that is positive right now. Don't get me wrong, I'll watch a good horror movie. Maybe not. I don't know. Comedies, I like comedies. I'm gonna add some of this lace mousse around the hairline. Just a little bit because I don't want to make it crunchy. I need a little bit just to hold it down slightly because I like the way this looks automatically. Like, I don't need to add too much, do too much. And if you don't want your mousse to like just to plaster the hair down too much, then make sure you are brushing it through with the edge brush first. What was the next question? What is your favorite season of the year? So my favorite seasons of the year is summer and fall. I don't really care for winter. I do like winter just because of the holidays, but if I had to pick one, I like summer. I just like being in the sun. I like, you know, summer activities. I like fall because around the fall time is usually when my birthday is, and on top of that, I just like the coziness of fall. If you guys was here for my Wigvember, oh gosh, that was the best series ever, and I'm doing it again this year for sure. So if you guys got any ideas you want to see in Wigvember, definitely let me know. What company do you recommend that has good lace and hair? Now, this question comes up a lot. I only share companies that got good lace. Myfirstwig definitely has some really good lace. Do you see how well this lace is melting? Like, I barely did anything. It comes like this. You guys, real time. Like, you're seeing. So if I had to recommend a company specifically for beginners, it would be this company 100%. Definitely can give you a really great lace if you're looking. Yeah, you can see it for yourself right now. I'm just gonna take an edge band and tie it down, and hopefully when we take this off, the mousse don't be as crunchy as it would if I didn't brush it through. So to keep the look of the hair, we're not gonna add any curls or anything. We're just gonna go through and unbend the areas that are bent. I just love these highlights, and they look so professionally done. It doesn't look brassy, natural. I believe this hair is Malaysian hair, and it has a 1 to 2 year lifespan, just depending on care. And if you need any care tips, make sure you go check out my playlist on my YouTube channel. All right, so the next question says, what is the best foundation to put on your lace that doesn't have a slightly brassy tint? This one right here, this brand. I've been using this brand in a medium beige. It does not leave a brassy tint. I just make sure to spray it super light. We'll put it in the link in the description box with all my products that I like to use, because this is a brand that I think maybe sold in a hair store. So just check your local hair store. But yeah, it works really good. It doesn't leave that brassy tint, but I guess it depends on which color you, like I said, I use the medium beige and it doesn't do that. Like if you look at the end of it, see how brown that is? It's not brassy or orangey. It just looks like natural color. I am so grateful for your advice and tricks to make a wig look natural. You're welcome. I have a suggestion for you to do a tutorial videos for wigs from Shein and make them look more natural, because you're the best of that. Do y'all really want that type of budget wigs? Honestly, I know I can make it look natural, but can you? Or do you just want to see just me transforming something that you already know is like, let me know, because I can try it. I mean, content is content, right? This hair is so soft. Okay, thank you for creating a space for us to ask you a question. Why is it that when I wash a light colored wig, it looks darker than before washed? It looks darker than before washed? Moisture. When hair is moisturized really well, like when it has a good moisture level, it will turn darker than it was before. I know my hair does that for sure. That's the only thing that I can say, because I can't see how water can change the hair color, if that makes sense. So I'm guessing if it's a curly wig, I don't know what texture you're dealing with when you're asking this. Usually if it has a good moisture level, that can happen. If the hair is dry, it'll look lighter. So yeah, it might be a good thing for you. So those are the last of the questions. If you guys want to add some more to there, the post is on my channel. Just go to my channel and click community tab, and there you can leave me questions underneath that post, or you can just create your own questions that you leave there. Sometimes I get the notifications, sometimes I don't, but I do try to at least check it once a week to see what you guys are asking and what you want. But I love this hair. It's so pretty. It's so relaxing. It feels good to have a style that talk to you guys. It's not frustrating. Now for the top section, I'm not gonna do too much as far as section by section. I just wanted to go through and get some of the bends out the hair. You can see for yourself how smooth the texture is. You can now see the layers. They did just a little bit of layers, not too much. It's just like right there in the front. It's not in the back. By the way, I'm still using that light from my previous video. It's light, like look. It's a 10 out of 10, y'all. I really do like it. What you guys think about it? I know some of you say that you don't do content, but I bet you take pictures. Like the quality that it's given. Just let me know in the comment section, because I think now you guys can really see the hair color, the flow, the move, honey. It's giving natural. I love it so much. All right, let me take my hot comb through the back of this, because a lot of times I miss the back. I don't know why, I just always forget about it. And we're done. Like, this looks so good. But this is the hairline, right? You like it? I do. I love this. Looks so good. Let me touch up the back a little bit. Tell you guys, I always miss the back somehow.